Ready to declutter your teams and say goodbye to a specific group? Let's jump right into how to leave a team on Microsoft Teams. First, locate the team you want to leave in the left-hand sidebar of your Microsoft Teams window. Scroll through your list of teams until you find the one you're ready to exit. Once you've found the correct team, click on the three dots ellipsis that appear next to the team's name. This will open a menu of options for that specific team. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Leave the Team. Click on Leave the Team. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to leave. Click the Leave Team button to confirm your decision. And just like that, you've left the team. It should disappear from your list of teams in the sidebar. Keep in mind that leaving a team means you'll lose access to its channels, conversations, and files. Important note, if you happen to be the last owner of the team, Teams will prompt you to assign a new owner before you can leave. This ensures the team can continue running smoothly for the remaining members. Also, remember that if you want to rejoin the team later, you'll need to be rated by a team owner. Finally, if you can't leave a team, perhaps it's an organization-wide team, consider muting its notifications instead. This way, you stay a member but won't be bombarded with updates. Mute settings can be found in the Manage Team Settings menu. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to confidently manage your teams in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching.